Next is merge operation. Merge operation in Pandas is used to join two tables together. In this image, you can see that we have two tables, one with the name df1 and another with the name df2, and we have a common column with the name id. So you can merge the columns either in the left or right direction. So here on the left side, we have shown you how to merge it in our left direction. So here you can see that this is the left table, and this has been, the rows applied over here are based upon the left column. So 101, 102 and 105, and based upon that information has been displayed. And since we don't have any value at the 105 over here for salary, that is why nan has been displayed. Same thing has happened with the right one. You can see that the right table is dominating over here, and we have the ID of right table, which is 101, 102 and 103, and all the values that are not present in the df1 are given as nan values, which is a missing values. So since we don't have any value over here for 103, that's why nan values has been displayed. So let's go ahead and implement this thing on our Jupyter notebook. Here is my Jupyter notebook, and I have created the same table that I have shown you in the presentation. So let me run this first. Now these are the two tables. So these are the two tables. Now in order to merge them, what I have to write, we have to mention the pd, which is the pandas, pd.merge, and then df1 comma df2. So this is the name of the table 1, which is displayed over here, this one, and this is df2, which is displayed over here, which has id and salary. Now how means how you want to merge it. So you can provide, there are multiple options that you can provide over here, like left, right, outer, inner. I will explain you the outer and inner. So how means, how equals to left means the left table, that is this df1 will be dominating, like you will be able to see the df1 over here. So id is equal, how is equal to left, and you want to apply this thing on id. Since we have id as a common column in both the tables, that is why id. So the moment we have applied it on the left one, that means all the columns of id will be displayed, and based upon that information will be processed. So let's see the output here. Now you can see that we have 101, 102, 105, and we have missing value for the salary 105, because we don't have any value for 105 over here. Next is we are doing same thing with the right. Now the salary one, the df2 will be dominating. That means the id of these will be displayed. Now since we don't have values for name and department, that's why it is showing missing values, which is nan. Third is outer. So what does outer do? In outer, all the information will be displayed. So all the information means 102, 103. Same thing can be done with the inner as well. But in inner, only those values will be displayed which do not have nan values. That means the common area will be displayed. So here we have all these values which is being displayed over here, first two values, because in 2 and 3 there are nan values, that's why they have not been displayed. So this is the pictorial representation of inner and outer. So in outer we are getting all the values, and inner we are getting only those values which do not have nan values, or which are the common values. Now earlier what we did, we perform it on the table where we have a common value, only one common value, and rest are different. So here name, department and salary. So this time what we are going to do, we are going to add the data in the same table which is having a same column. So this is the table. You can see that it has ID, name, department, salary. All we are doing is we are adding this data below the existing data. So for that, what we are going to do, we don't need to mention on, we just need to mention how we want to merge it. And this time we are not going to use the right and left as well, because data we have to add it in the below. So first is pd.merge df3 comma df4. df3 df4 is the name of this variable assigned to this new data. So thing that you can pay attention to this one is in df3 we have these two values. Now let's go ahead and run this. Now here you can see that we got two values, which is Emma and Eric, 0 and 1. Since Emma and Eric were common in both the tables, that is why it has been displayed in the inner one. Emma and Eric in both df3 and df4. Now if we talk about the outer one, you will be getting all the information because it's present in both the tables. This is the pictorial representation of this thing. And df3 and df4 both have common values, which is 102 and 103. That is why when we performed it using the inner, 102 and 103 has been displayed, and in case of outer, 1, 2, 3, 4 has been displayed. That means all the information has been displayed. Similar thing we can do with the outer as well. So here we have new parameter added, which is indicator equals to true. By default it is false. So what it does, it helps you to identify from where the row has been originated. So this row has been originated from left only, this has been originated to both, and the last one has been originated from right only. Same thing can be performed on the inner as well. With this we have learned how to perform merge operation in Pandas. Next is concat operation. So concat operation is used to add two or more tables together with the common columns. It also allows to group entries based upon the keys. If you have multiple tables and you want to group them together or you want to add them together, then you can use the concat operation. So let's go ahead and see how we can implement this thing on our Jupyter notebook. Now here I have created two tables. These are the same data frames that I have created in the merge one, but I have put all of them at one place, that is df1, df2 and df3, df4. So let's run it. Now here you can see that these are the results. df1 having 101, 102, 105, df2 having 101, 2, 3 and so on. Now if we have to combine all of this data, what we can do, we can just write pd.concat, and then in a list we have to provide the name of the data frames that we want to add together. And let me remove this constraint for now. Now let's run it. Now here you can see that all the data frames has been combined together. Now here the index value that you are seeing it is showing 0, 1, 2. Now it is again showing 0, 1, 2 because all these are coming from a different data frames. If you want to reset this index value, you want it to be displayed like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. Then you can just simply type ignore indexes and set it to true. By default it is false. You can set it to true. And the moment you set it to true, you can see that now it is showing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want to group all of them together, then you can use the keys over here. But in order to use the keys, you have to remove ignore index. So if I'll just type keys and I'll just give the name of the columns over here. Let's say I want to group them based upon their data frames. So let's say I have mentioned df1 over here. Now you can see that I am seeing only the data for df1. If I'll write more than one list item, then I will be able to see multiple data frames over here grouped as per their group. Let's run it. Now here you can see that df1, df2, df3. So this all data belongs to df3. In case if I will add the ignore index over here, then it won't work. Ignore index will take charge of this thing. And you can see that thing has gone and index has been reset. So this is how you can perform the concat operation in Pandas. Before ending this module, I just wanted to give you brief information about few things. Like merge operation is similar to the join operation, but we highly recommend you to use the merge operation. That's why we have shown you the merge operation. Concat is similar to the append one, but append has been depreciated and it is encouraged to use the concat operation. That's why I have not shown you how to perform the append operation. So with this we have completed this section. Next we are going to learn about how to clean data by removing the missing values from the data frame.